Hey there, home cooks! Ready to bring some sizzle to your kitchen? Today I'm showing you how to make mouth-watering fajitas right at home. Let's get started with the marinade. This is where all the flavor begins. Grab 2 pounds of beef or chicken, whichever you prefer. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika, plus 1/2 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Pour this flavorful concoction over your meat, making sure it's well coated. Pop it into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. Now, while the meat is soaking up those incredible flavors, let's prep our veggies. Slice up 2 bell peppers and 1 large onion. We'll sauté these later. Time to cook the meat. Heat a large skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Take the meat out of the marinade and throw it on the hot surface. If you're using beef, sear for 5 minutes per side for medium rare. For chicken, cook it for 7 minutes per side until it's fully done. Let it rest for 5 minutes, this keeps it juicy, then slice it thinly against the grain for beef or across the width for chicken. In the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in your sliced bell peppers and onions. Cook them for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they're tender and slightly charred. Now warm up your tortillas. You can use a dry skillet, microwave, or even a gas flame. Finally, it's showtime. Lay out your sliced meat and sautéed veggies on a platter. Let everyone build their own fajita, layering meat, vegetables, and any toppings they like. Guacamole, sour cream, salsa, shredded cheese, fresh cilantro, or a squeeze of lime. And there you have it. Smoky, vibrant fajitas that bring the party to your table. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!